Hi class, today we're going to talk about why the Earth is habitable. So there are three things that make Earth habitable. The first being the mass of the planet, the second being the position from the sun, and the third being the magnetic field. So the mass and temperature of the planet is what allows Earth to have an atmosphere. The atmosphere allows the planet to be able to keep important gases like oxygen and nitrogen in. So the mass of the planet is what gives it the gravitational pull, and that gravitational pull pulls on gas molecules, and the temperature gives the molecules a higher velocity, but because of the mass of the planet, it allows those gases like nitrogen and oxygen to be able to be kept in. The second is the protection from the sun. So the atmosphere protects us from the sun, and without the atmosphere, we would be harmed by the UV rays, which can be very dangerous. The third is the magnetic field. The magnetic field protects the Earth from harsh solar winds, and it can also help to deflect comets and asteroids. And the fact that the Earth has moving tectonic plates and that they melt also helps to keep the magnetic field strong, which helps to protect us from the harsh solar winds. The location to the sun is also very important because the fact that the Earth is the third planet means that it's not too far away, like Uranus or Neptune, where they're very, very cold, and they're not too close like Mercury or Venus, because then they would be too hot. So the location of where the Earth is, right here kind of in the middle, allows it to have liquid water, which means we're able to drink the liquid water and it doesn't freeze. And the location also lets it remain at a temperature that's habitable and suitable for living. So like I said before, because it isn't too far away like Neptune or Uranus, it's not too cold, and because it's not as close as Mercury or Venus, it's not too hot. So just a recap, Earth is habitable because of the planet's mass and temperature that allow it to have an atmosphere. The atmosphere allows the planet to keep harmful UV rays out. The magnetic field allows the Earth to be protected from the solar winds. And the location of the planet allows water to remain in a liquid form. And the location also lets the temperature remain at a suitable temperature for life.